Hi guys, this is Tracy Lee, TracyLeeCoaching.com, video number 12 of 30-day video challenge. How are you doing tonight? I'd like to welcome everybody to my video tonight. Here you will find the number one recommended system that we use to make money online. We help you, coach you, whatever you need, we got. Tonight's topic is my biggest struggles. Yes, my biggest struggles working funded proposal opportunities and building an online business at the same time. That's a tough one for me. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that working a funded proposal job, when I work, there's a lot of people out there that work, that go to work every day and have to, pay the bills and, fund their business. It's hard, and I get frustrated sometimes and struggle at trying to build an online business because I work so much, and trying to find the time to build that business away from my job is very, very difficult. So what I'm trying to say is, like, working and trying to focus on your business is very difficult. But I find the time and I never quit. That's the one thing. I find the time somehow after work, after my funded job, and never quit at it. That's a big struggle for me. It's very difficult. I struggle at finding time after work, trying to find a quiet place after I get home from work. I go to my quiet place. That's my quiet place. You need to get a quiet place and go and do your business there, to work on your business. But when I go to my quiet place and I work on my business, I find that it's very peaceful. I can think, my head's not all cloudy. I can relax and not have to worry about work, and it's just the time factor is one of the biggest things also that I struggle at, as having enough time to do it. But I make the time. One of the biggest things, though, I find is that it's difficult to break free from my family and friends, and try to focus on my business. When they're around, it's just almost impossible. It's just a big distraction, and I just can't get over that. I gotta leave. I just go somewhere where they're not. That's it. I go somewhere where they're not, and I focus on my business, and I get my stuff done. That's the only way I can do it. Because if you just focus on, okay, well, we'll watch a little TV for a while and then I'll go do it later, you're procrastinating and you're not getting anything done. So I just get up and walk out now. I don't worry about it anymore. I just tell them I'm going, and if they don't like it, oh well. I'm working on myself. It's my business. I'm going to work on myself. I'm going to get myself better, and I'm going to push forward. So anyhow, that's a little bit of tonight's topic. The biggest struggles working a funded proposal as opposed to working on an online business all the time. Some people have the luxury of being able to sit home and work an online business all the time, so they get more time to focus on their job, and they get farther ahead, and learn. They're a little more adept to what they're doing. I have to struggle at that, and it's a big struggle for me. But I push through it. You can push through it. It's very, very helpful for me to be able to come home, go to my quiet place, and not worry about distractions and people, and I can't get anything done with that. I deal with that all day long anyway. People around while I'm working, and distractions and noises, and you can't work an online business while you're doing your funded proposal. But the funded proposal is very important, of course. But once I'm done with work, I come home. I leave my work at work, and then I come home, and it's all about business. Get down to business. So take it from me. I'm running through it. If you have any questions about it, and you want to talk about it, I'm here to talk about it. I definitely, encourage you to talk to me about it, because I've been working for 30 years, and now I'm building an online business, and it's just basically getting down to brass tacks. You know, you just set that stuff, you just set it aside, get it out of the way, and mark it, and do your business. You know, learn, just keep learning, never stop. And that's basically where I'm at. And tonight's been a real pleasure for me to be here and talk about it, because it gets a lot off my chest, you know, and it clears up my head a little bit about what I'm thinking about all day. You know, usually when I'm at work, I'll be thinking about, you know, different things that Ace and Rich have been talking about on how to get, you know, do this and do that, and what you need to do in your business, and you know, and what your homework is, you know, and I think about that all day long while I'm working. And when I come home, I'm all scatterbrained on, you know, what's going on, and you know, but I sit down and I focus, you know, laser focus on where I left off the last time, and I start from there and work forward again, and just never stop. Just keep crawling forward a little bit at a time, and that's how I work it. They call me the turtle, you know. I think David Toomey calls himself the turtle also, but that's cool, you know. I work at a slow pace, but when I work my funded proposal, I work as fast as I can, because I know how to do it, you know. So, but anyhow, those are a few of the struggles that I put up with, you know, with working, you know, a funded proposal, as opposed to, you know, trying to build an online business while you're working the funded proposal. So, you know, it gets tough sometimes, but it's tough. Just got to get going. So, you guys, it's been wonderful having you here tonight. I appreciate you being on my video. I love every one of you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you know when I go live next. On the notification bell, go bing. So work hard in your jobs. You know, fund that business, fund that dream, and we'll catch you on the next live. Catch you on the next video. All right, guys. I love every one of you. Have a good night. Bye.